Yeah. Loving it.
I'm
loving it.
I'm loving
Out here. Out here.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Bella.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Bella. Come on.
I've never had.
Take it off. Open your mouth.
A tiger.
A tiger? Go away, tiger meat means cuckoo. Ew. Yucky. Ow, stop. No, mire.
I get it.
Yo, that was crazy, right? Who knew? I mean, everything's set. It's a lock. We good to go. We in the money. And he trips underwater. Who in the hell of it trips underwater? And by the way, on what? That's it. That's it.
Bernie, I want you to find the deepest, darkest hole in the ocean.
Gonna do that's exciting this morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Meet Me's Day. What are you gonna do, Mireli? What's going on today in your world?
Hey, Papa.
Uh-oh.
Hey, Mimi. Oh, I love you.
I was Ryan.
You was watching Ryan?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes.
What was he talking about today?
Is an extra prize.
He's got more surprises? I'm out for Meet Me.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Spider-Man. He can do what a spider can.
Love Spider-Man.
Spider-Mans are for boys.
Spider-Man is born.
Mm-hmm.
Spider-Man.
Yep. And boys are yucky. Right? You just better agree with me. Anything else I need to fix?
Subscribe. Subscribe.
How was school today?
Subscribe.
How was school today? Hey,
Subscribe.
how was school?
Subscribe.
Ma.
No.
Sí, mamá.
No.
Ah,
No.
ma.
No.
How was school?
Open it, the cheese.
You want cheese? Come on, look, leave that alone. Is that your favorite?
Nope.
You liar. Uh-oh.
I'll go this one.
Later, finish that little piece first and then you can get more. Miri, what are you watching?
Hello.
Tayo? Oh my goodness.
Get me.
Yes.
Get
Okay. See you later. We'll be back. After these messages, we'll be back. Say, Mama, can I have my Bobo, please? Can you say it again?
Yeah.
Let's see. Hello? Can you say it again? No? You don't want your Bobo?
Yeah.
Mama,
Mama,
please?
please.
Sure.
Sure. Leo.
You think? I think you are extremely spoiled. Wanna know why?
Spoiled.
Meet me is spoiled. Right? Say yes, Mama.
Yes, Mama.
Do you know why?
Why?
Let's show the kids. Oh no. Look, you got 2 iPads going. You Bobo face. Get rid of that thing.
I put the bubble there. No! No, pressure doodle. No pressure.
Hey, little chicklet.
No.
I love your shoes. Number 6. Find number 6. Where's number 6?